The walls were driven from the Lord of Israel, a shout. He shall not make me go into the dream, to the Lord of Babylon, shout. He shall not make me go, Nebuchadnezzar was the king of Babylon, shout. He shall not make me go into the one of gold, and he made an idol, shout. He shall not make me go. Children of Israel would not bow down. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego couldn't go on with a golden idol. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, I said they couldn't go on with a golden idol. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. So the king put the children in the fiery furnace. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, he put the coals and the red brimstone. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, 7 times harder than it ought to be. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, burned the soldiers the king had put there. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.